teaching you how to flip. So for a hill flip, you're gonna want to put your legs like this. Your back leg needs to go on the side of the tail. It'll be like this. And
How you do it? I'll
front
tell you.
foot,
This is how you have to do with my thing.
your front foot will be in the middle, but it'll be out of it like that. So when you pull, you slide and you flick out, and then it will start the rotation, and then you have to catch it with your front foot and then bring your back foot in. So that's how you do a hill flip. You're gonna want to be practicing this trick a lot, and I hope you land it so you can use it for like stairs and whatsoever. So thank you for watching.
Good luck.